What is 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5? Tell me.
Ma'am, 4 upon 5.
It is 4 upon 5. Why it is 4 upon 5?
Ma'am, because we are adding 3 plus 1 and we are not adding the denominator.
Achha, anybody who can say the answer is 4 upon 10? Who is saying the answer will be 4 upon 10? Who is saying the answer will be 4 upon 10? Switch on your cameras. Cameras on karo beta. I will see you on cameras. I want to see you on cameras. कौन बोल रहे कि ऐसे आएगा? Who is saying the answer will come like 4 upon 10? Yashmit is not here. Yashmit told I was asking you what will be there. Okay. Answer will not be. Who is saying this? Adya, will the answer be this? 4 upon 10? Sheesh, switch on your camera. Sheesh, switch on your camera. Adya, you tell me.
Ma'am,
Adya, is this answer correct? 3 upon 10 plus 3 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5 is equals to 4 upon 10. Is this correct? Yes or no, Adya?
ma'am, no.
Why?
Ma'am, because
Sheer, switch on your camera. Arhan, switch on your camera. Why, beta? Just Karan, you tell me why this is not correct.
Ma'am, I don't know.
No, you don't know. Akhya,
Ma'am,
hmm.
because like fractions are same, so we cannot add. If they are different, then we have to add denominators.
No. If they are different, we cannot add them. If they are different, we cannot add them. Okay? Akshta will tell. Akshta definitely know the answer. Akshta will tell. Akshta knows the answer. Why the answer is 4 upon 10 is not correct? You already told me the answer, but once again tell me the answer. They are not able to answer. You don't know Akshda? You told me the answer in the अभी मुझे आपने थोड़ी देर पहले आंसर बताया इसका. You know the answer. Still you're not saying the answer. Tell me.
Ma'am, because it is same.
Because it is beta.
Same.
Listen. Wait. Look here, everyone. Up, see there properly, okay? I don't want to listen कि ma'am I don't know. देखो बेटा, when we add two fractions, when we add or subtract two fractions, whenever we add or subtract fraction, the first condition to add or subtract any fraction is they should be like. कैसे होने चाहिए वो? Like fractions होने चाहिए. If they are not like, we cannot add them. As Akhya was saying, ma'am, if they are different, we add them. If the question will be 3 upon 4 plus 4 upon 6, तो 1 upon 6, तो आप इसको 4 upon 10 नहीं कर सकते बेटा. You cannot do it. Why you cannot do it? Because it has to be same. The numerator, because the denominator has to be same. Denominator same होना चाहिए. और यहाँ denominator same है, so we cannot add. We can add these, but beta we will not add the denominator. We don't add the denominator. We never add the denominator. Remember this rule. We never add the denominator. We just only add the numerator. ठीक है, और डिनोमिनेटर सेम होना चाहिए. अगर ये सेम नहीं होगा लाइक दिस, इट विल नॉट बी एडेड. इसको हम ऐड नहीं कर सकते हैं. सो आंसर विल बी 3 plus 1. आपको सिर्फ डिनोमिनेटर ही ऐड करना होता है. 3 plus 1 is 4 upon 5. Okay, I think fraction is coming in your class, this now exam. It is coming. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next question is wait a minute. rule for addition also, for subtraction also. Sheesh will tell me the answer now. Sheesh, camera बंद नहीं होना चाहिए, otherwise I'll call your mother directly. अगर ये camera off हो गया तो Sheesh. Sheesh, tell me the answer. Very less number of students are present over here, and I can see each and every one of you. Jaldi se Sheesh, tell me the answer. Sheesh, if you are not going, I'm going to call your mother right now.
6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5.
Jaldi se Sheesh, I'm not getting the answer. Ab I'm going to tell. How did you do it? 1/8. How did you do it? नहीं आ रही Sheesh. No, beta, it's not coming. हाँ, tell me. Athar Singh, कहाँ गए बेटा? जल्दी, quick, switch on your mic. हाँ.
Ma'am, I subtract 3 minus 2.
Okay, अब 0 नहीं आएगा ये न्यूमरेटर में. 0 नहीं आएगा.
No, ma'am.
Why? Why?
Because the denominator are same.
Because denominator remains the same. We subtract only the numerator. Okay? Okay. Now, tell me, I'm showing you two parts, two fractions. Okay, tell me the value of first fraction. Wait a second. Tell me the value of first fraction. What will come at first fraction? What will be the first fraction? Any one of you can tell. Switch on your mic.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, anybody can tell. 2 upon 4. Very good. Second one.
Ma'am, 4/8.
4 upon 8. Now tell me, they are equal or they are not equal?
Ma'am, they are equal.
Are they equal or not equal?
Ma'am, they are equal.
Why they are equal, Aksha?
Because 4 minus 2 is 2. So,
Yes.
the first one is equal. Then 8 minus 4 is 4. So, second one is also equal.
No, beta. Actually, this is not the reason. See, out of 4 parts, 2 parts are shaded. This is equal to this. अगर आप देखोगे 4 के half कितने होते हैं? 4 को half करोगे तो क्या होगा? 2. 8 को half करोगे तो क्या होगा?
4.
4. तो 8 का half is 4 and 4 का half is 2. Okay. Okay. Now. Shall I give you some questions? अच्छा, और भी रह गए थोड़े से parts. Equivalent fractions रह गया आपका. Okay. Okay, like और unlike मुझे बताना है आपको. इसमें like कौन से है और unlike कौन से है? Okay, first one is like और unlike में 3 upon 8, 5 upon 8, 1 upon 8. 2 is 1 upon 9, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 10. Tell me which is unlike, which is like and which is unlike. First one, what is first one? What is first one, like or unlike? First वाला क्या होगा बेटा?
Ma'am, like.
Why is it like? Why is it like?
Ma'am, because denominators are same.
Because first वाला like होगा. Okay, because denominators are same. Okay, second one is like or unlike?
Ma'am, unlike.
Why it is unlike?
Because denominators are not same.
Because denominators are not same. But beta, numerators are same here.
Ma'am, the answer is like.
Huh? Numerators are same here. So just Karan, the answer will be like. Huh, just Karan, answer will be like.
Ma'am, maybe.
Maybe. What do you mean by maybe? Exam में maybe तो नहीं कर तो करोगे. Test होगा तो
Ma'am,
maybe
can
तो नहीं
I?
लिखोगे. हाँ अक्षदा.
Ma'am, because we only have to see denominators.
Very good. Because for like and unlike fractions, we always see the denominators. बेटा like और unlike के लिए we always see the denominators. Unlike के लिए we always see the denominators, not numerators. We always see the denominators. No numerators. We will not see the numerator here. Okay. Okay. Now, don't know what happened to my pen. It's not working. Give me a minute. I'm going to see how to name a fraction. Suppose the fraction is given to you 3/9. How will you write this fraction as? Tell me. Anybody who can tell me the number name of this fraction? In number names, how will you write the? How will you be writing this 3/9?
Ma'am, can I?
Except Akshta. Athar Singh, you tell me. Athar Singh, tell me. How will you name it as? Athar Singh, I'm asking you. Athar Singh, open your mic.
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know. That's very bad. Akhya? Akhya?
Ma'am, 3/9.
No. Akshta now. Akshta, you start. Tell me.
Ma'am, 3 numerator is 3 and the denominator is 9.
No. We call it as 3 nines. याद आया कुछ? याद आया? 3 nines. 3 nines. न्यूमरेटर तो हम बेटा जैसा होता है वैसा ही लिखते हैं. जो डिनोमिनेटर होता है उसको भी राइट इन द रोमन फॉर्म. 9th, 10th, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th ऐसे करके. अच्छा, टेल मी व्हाट विल बी दिस वन. टेल मी दिस वन. Akhya, tell me this one.
Ma'am, 4/10.
4/10. Okay. One more. 1/5. How will you name it as? Akshda?
Ma'am, 1/5.
Okay. Do you write FIFTHS? Can you tell me the spelling of fifth of Akshda? Can you tell me the spelling of fifth?
FIFTH.
TH. Beta, we will not put S here. Why? Because one is singular here. That's why we will not put S here. If there is any other number, then we will write that. अच्छा बेटा, divide में बहुत important बात याद आई है मुझे. Divide वाले chapter में, if you divide any number by 0, what will you get? If you divide any number by 0, what will you get?
Ma'am, 0.
0. Is this correct answer? 0. 30 divided by 0 is 0.
Ma'am,
See,
30.
30. Somebody is saying 0, somebody is saying 30. Anything else? Anybody else? Any other answer somebody have? Arhan, you want to tell something? Sheesh, if you want to ask something, you can type in the chat box. Because your mic is not able to open, so you can type in the chat box if you have any problem. Okay, Sheesh? Tell me, what will be the answer of this one? Nobody knows. Beta, this answer is not defined. Why is it not defined? Because see, not defined means इसका कोई आंसर ही नहीं आ सकता है. 30 को हमें 0 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. 30 को हमें 0 को एक भी पार्ट में डिवाइड नहीं करना है. 0 मीन्स नथिंग. 30 को हमें 0 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. कुछ भी नहीं होगा, 0 ही रहेगा वो. ठीक है. 30 divided by 0 is not possible. So neither its answer will be 30, neither its answer will be. So its answer will be not defined. Okay, 30 divided by 0 is not defined. Everybody understood? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
But if it would be 0 divided by 30, 0 divided by 30, then what will be the answer? What if 0 divided by 30 will be there? What will be the answer? 0 divided by 30.
Ma'am, no define.
No, इसका आंसर आता है बेटा 0 and 30 divided by 0 का आंसर आता है not defined.
Okay.
Okay, note it down somewhere. Note these 2 points, important, very important points.
Okay, ma'am.
Note it down somewhere.
Ma'am, can I write at reminder?
Okay, tell me, if numerator, and I am using for numerator, if numerator is 5 and see, if denominator, sorry, wait a minute. If denominator is 5 and numerator is 6, what will be the fraction? If denominator is 5 and numerator is 6, what will be the fraction?
Ma'am, 5 upon 6.
5 upon
Ma'am, 5 upon 6.
Are you correct?
No, ma'am, 6. Ma'am, 6 upon 5.
Yes, very good, just correct. It will be 6 upon 5. Akshita, Akhya, before answering, see this Akhya, what mistake you are making. आपने देखा फर्स्ट पहले 5 आएगा फिर 6 आएगा. You have not seen कि D पहले लिखा और N पहले बाद में लिखा है. What comes up? Up means what? Upper number. Upper number is numerator and down number is denominator. Okay, so we see the up number. If you see, the answer will be 6 upon 5. Numerator is 6, so numerator will come 6 upon 5. So be careful while doing this type of question. Don't write 5 upon 6. पहले 5 आया तो 5 लिख दिया, बाद में 6 आया तो 6 लिख दिया. No, just see what is the numerator here and what is denominator here. Now tell me, numerator is 1, denominator is 8. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, 1 upon 8.
1 upon
0.8.
8. What will you name it as? How will you name it as?
1 8.
1
1 8.
8. 1. Very good. 1 8 is the correct answer. Okay, now let me start the next question. Next type of question, that is of क्या बता रही थी मैं आपको? Okay, in 3 upon 5 dash is denominator. Tell me. In 3 upon 5 dash is the denominator.
5. Ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 3 upon 2.
No, not 2. Yes, Adya, what will be the
Ma'am,
answer? 5 is the denominator. And if they are asking dash is the numerator, dash it. And if they ask 5 is dash, what will you have to answer here? 5 is?
denominator.
What will come here? 5 is denominator. Okay. Chalo, let's do some of the questions now. It's your time to do the questions. Any problem, anyone? मैंने आपको क्या क्या पढ़ाया देखो. Addition, subtraction, add, subtract, subtraction, like or unlike, naming of fraction. I told you number names, naming बताई आपको fractions की, और क्या बताया है? Numerator and denominator. अब इसमें से किसी को कोई problem है? Anybody is having any problem in these type of questions? अभी भी किसी को कोई concept नहीं समझ आया है? शीश, if you have, you can write in the chat box. इनमें से, इन टॉपिक्स में से किसी को अभी भी कोई ऐसा टॉपिक है जो समझ नहीं आया? इन वाले टॉपिक्स में से
Phone battery is down.
Adya, your phone battery is down. Anybody who is facing any problem in these type of questions, write till here, everyone. Add, subtract, like, unlike, naming, or numerator, denominator. This we have done. Okay, so I'll give you questions related to this only in the next period. Fine, start doing question 1. Here you have to write in the blank that whether it is like or unlike.
Ma'am, we have to only write like or
Or
unlike, or
unlike.
we have to write like fraction
वो
and
कुछ भी
unlike
लिख लो, but
fraction.
beta you
We
have to copy down the question also. You can write both the things.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to, but you आप like fraction लिख लो तो भी कोई बात नहीं है. आप unlike लिख लो तो भी कोई बात नहीं है. It's okay. But mention जरूर होना चाहिए like या unlike. Okay. Do not change the question number. I hope you can see till here.